Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. This is exercise 2.1 from your NCERT book. Question number 6, 7 and 8 we will do today. Question number 6. Shalil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in a frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much the picture should be trimmed? Okay, that means the width of the picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter and the width of the frame is 7 3 by 10 centimeter. So this one is more than this one, so it should be trimmed. How much it should be trimmed? This is the question only. So you can subtract both, this from this. Now the picture should be trimmed by this one's picture should this one is the width of the picture minus width of the frame. As it is a mixed fraction, so make it in simple fraction. 38, 7 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 38 by 5 minus 10, 7 10 is 70 plus 3, 73 by 10 centimeter. LCM 5 and 10 is 10. 5 2s are 10, 2 38s are 76 minus 10 divided by 10, 1 into 73, 73 centimeter, that is 3, 76 minus 73, 3 by 10 centimeter. Understood? This is the answer of this question. Come to the next question. Ritu ate, question number 7. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple and the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? This is the question. Who had larger share and by how much? Who had larger share and by how much? That means these are the three questions. Ritu ate this part of the apple. You know that when it is a fraction, then the complete part will be 1. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Solution is this. We have started. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Remaining part of an apple means from one complete part. Ritu's part we have to deduct it. We will subtract this part. Then the result is 5 minus 3 by 5. That is 2 by 5. So Somu, therefore Somu ate 2/5 part of the apple. Now the question is, how much part of the apple did Somu ate? Somu ate 2/5 part of the apple. Next, who had the larger share? Now you compare these two. Compare 3 by 5 and 2 by 5. As the denominators are same, so easily you can compare that which part is larger. 3 by part. So 3 by 5 part is greater than 2 by 5 part. 2/5 part, 2 by 5 part. So who has ate 3/5 part? Ritu. Who had the larger share? Therefore Ritu ate the larger share. Larger part. By how much? Then you need to subtract. And 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5 and by 3 minus 2. That is 1 by 5 part, 1/5 part. So this is another answer. First answer is Somu ate. This is one answer. Another answer, who ate the larger part? So Ritu ate the larger part. This is another answer, third one, and this is the last answer. Come to the next question and last question. Question number 8. Last question of this exercise. Question number 8. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer? By what fraction was it longer? First of all, these two fraction you have to write, and then you need to compare, and then which one will be the larger one, you have to subtract the smaller one from the larger one. This is the question only. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hours. Who worked longer and by how much? And by what fraction was it longer? Then Michael worked for 7 by 12 hours. Vaibhav worked for 3 by 4 hours. Now you need to compare these two. Comparing these fractions, what you will do? 7 by 12 and 3 by 4. As the denominator, you need to, when you are comparing, you need to make the denominator same. So LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So make this 12. 7 by 12 into 1 into 1. LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So 3 by 4 into 3 to make it 12. 7 by 12 and 9 by 12. Now very clearly you can say that which fraction is larger one. So who has taken more time? Vaibhav worked 3 by 4 hours. These 3 by 4 hours become, when you are making the denominator same, it has become 9 by 12. So this is who worked longer? Vaibhav worked longer. Therefore Vaibhav worked longer time. And by how much? And by 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12 hours, that is 9 minus 7 by 12 equal to 2 by 12 hours. You can cancel it, and if you cancel it, then you can get 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 hours. So I hope all of you understand what is the explanation, what was the explanation of this sum. So you need to practice question number 7, 8 and 9 properly. Thank you, students.